Hi guys, welcome to another video, and yet again I'm using a different camera again, so I hope the sound this time is perfect. I didn't like the sound on my last video, so I decided to change camera and going kind of back to my old setup. So this morning I woke up quite early. It was kind of cold, didn't really want to wake up. It was hard to get out of bed, but we are in a nice winter morning. Like everything is frozen. There was a lot of frost. There was a lot of fog this morning. The fog kind of cleared up around this area here. I drove around 30 minutes or so from my house. And my goal for today is to find frozen trees, frozen leaves, and showing a little bit of the winter wonderland that it is right now, even though the winter this year is a bit soft. I have been looking for a day like this where there is a little bit of snow on the ground, but I don't really care about it. I care about what it stays on the trees and how nice it is. So hopefully we can get something nice today. So let's go. As I walking past, I saw this nice and frozen part of this tree, and because it's getting a little bit warmer, some of the frost is starting to fall, like snow is starting to fall, and I am trying to capture the falling of the snow behind the small tree with the leaves. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to get it, or if I already got it. I'm just going to be waiting a little bit, do a few more shots and see how it goes. I'm actually shooting at 35 millimeters at f2.8 at 500 of a second. At ISO 100 to try to get a bit of the snow behind. So let's see if we can get that, and we'll be on our way. You can see how nice it is all around here. As you can see, I'm trying something different, a small macro of this leaf over here. I don't really have a macro lens with me, so I'm kind of improvising with whatever I have. I've been walking for around an hour or so. I've been walking very slowly, trying to look for compositions and small details, again, some separations with the trees and everything. I didn't find much yet, but all of a sudden I came and I found this abandoned building, like huge building that just simply abandoned. It's interesting. I don't know what was here, but it's pretty much falling apart, and it's in the middle of the forest. I don't know if this was the time of the war or whatnot, but it's interesting nonetheless. Look at how amazing this looks. Just hope I'll be able to find a good place and capture the beauty of this place. The view from here is quite amazing. The city is all with fog. There is a tower over there that doesn't have fog. It's quite cold over here, so I had to put my gloves. I've done a few shots, different types of shots. I've done a few panoramas. I've zoomed in and done some single shots, also some wide shots. There is a lot of interesting things you can do here. I changed lenses and I've tried a few different things. I didn't talk before when I was actually doing the shots because it was full of people over here, and I didn't really want to talk. I'm not a big fan when people are around and I'm actually talking to the camera. Still not very comfortable to do that. But yeah, this place looks really, really nice, and I'm really considering coming back both at sunrise and at sunset. I think it's gonna be very interesting. Not today though, but any other day. I'll have to check it out when the conditions are gonna be similar to this. If I would have more fog coming up to the trees over here, where we would have everything within fog, it would be nice here. So that's what I'm going to be looking for on the next, hopefully, few days. They give some snow for later today, so I'll have to see how it is the conditions the next few days. So I'm going to go down now. There is a lot of trees with frost, as you can see down there. I'm going to take a different path than I came in. I'm still going to look for the separations on the trees and see what we can get. I'm really happy with the viewpoint over here. I didn't expect that it would be this nice. I'm usually not a big fan of viewpoints like this and photographing them, but because of the fog, it really gives a different atmosphere to the place. So let's go. Somehow the path I took down doesn't seem to be as nice. There is not as much ice on the trees on this side of the mountain, which is actually surprising. This is supposed to lead to a different path that will join the car later on. So hopefully I will still have something to shoot on the way down. If not, well, I think what we got on the very, very top was very, very nice, and it was totally worth it. This video doesn't have to be super big. But yeah, as you can see, look, around here the trees are much more green and brown, and no real snow or ice around. So hopefully further we're gonna get what we want. It's interesting how different the scenario on this side of the mountain is compared to the other side. When we're talking about frost and snow and things like that, it seems like a different country. I found an interesting path over here with trees covering it all up. So I decided to, and with a leading line, with a curvy line in here. I'm not quite sure if that shot is gonna work out, so if it does, I'm gonna show you guys. If it doesn't, I guess I just ignore it. But if I'm here, I might as well take it. I know that I'm very close to the car, so I won't be here that much longer, and I won't be able to shoot much more. So I might as well take advantage as I'm here and try to get the most out of it. I'm gonna finish my video here. I'm by the car. It was a really, really nice hike. I'm really happy I actually got up. I didn't really want to get up this morning. It was very hard. Did I get what I wanted? I believe I did on the very top. I wish I got a little bit more. That was not the case, but I love when the forest is like this. I definitely have to go back or to go to a different place and look for more frozen forest. I love this. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and see you on the next one. Bye.